Hello and welcome to the LGD Studios Money Matters channel. Last month we released our new dividend portfolio tracking service on the website. Today we'll be taking a quick walkthrough of loading the statement and a peek at a couple of the screens. I always look forward to the start of each month because that is when the brokerage account statements drop for the previous month. Please note that currently we only support importing statements from Robinhood, Webull, and Ally Bank. I used to spend a fair chunk of time manually entering the data into a tracking spreadsheet. Today we'll be importing a Robinhood statement. With only a couple of button clicks, I'm able to review and work with my data. Once I've downloaded my file from my brokerage account, I select it from my local folder and click Submit. I then review what the system has parsed. I take a few moments to look at the statement balance, positions held, and then review the monthly deposits, dividends, purchases, and sales. If all looks good, I click Submit. This statement looks good. Please note that some brokerages will mark some ticker symbols with a special character, like a caret, that indicate that these are special bookkeeping or placeholder tickers. These may be ignored. After the data is processed, we can then review our contributions to make sure we are on target to meet our goal. You can see here the system is telling me that I'm falling behind. Guess I need to step things up to meet my year-end goal. The next screen I usually check out is the Dividend Log calendar. This provides me a monthly summary of my dividends for each stock position held. At the bottom of each column, I can see the year-to-date total for each position. I can scroll to the right to see the monthly total at the end of the row. Scroll to the bottom to view the current total for the year. If you want to find out more about our dividend tracking system, please check out this quick overview video by Annie. She does a really good job of covering the system features, plus she has that wonderful British accent. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.